Guys, good morning. How are you doing today? So, yeah, so we are about to start this vlog. Okay guys, so I'm about heading to the market now. Guys, the heat is something else, the sun is something else. I'm not going to stay long in the market. I don't have much to buy, okay? So, and I don't want to film in the market. I'll be seeing you when I come back, okay? So I'll be showing you the few things I bought. Today actually is a very busy day for me, so I'm just carrying you guys along. I just want to quickly get to the markets, get the things I want to get, and do stuff. I brought some work back home. I'm likely just going to be doing like 20 minutes in the markets, yes, as sharply as possible. So I'll see you when I'll be showing you the things I bought. Tissue paper, okay, tissue paper, like spring onion. I bought this to make, this is powdered ginger, this is powdered garlic. Try to make fantastic flavors dish, what we call omo in Nigeria. I only just bought 3. Yeah, bought 3. Too much. Bought Colgate toothbrush. Nothing special. Then for glorious things. I also bought this. These I'll be using this long red pepper, okay, plus this. So let me put the things for the ayamashi redefined, okay. So so this one's about this. I bought a little bit of this fish. Don't know if you know this fish. I just saw it in the market. It's always here. Or the Togolese call it they call it dowevi. My husband likes it. Recently I just discovered that my husband takes style like camo. Once he knows I bought it, almost everything I cook apart from stew. I bought oil. This I like it. Tournesol. This sunflower oil. Tournesol. Bought it. Okay. Yeah. I bought some onions just to add to what I already have in the house, because I already have some in the house. So I just bought a little too for the stew tomorrow. Then I bought this in the evening yesterday. So so it made today's shopping a lot more. Okay, and this yesterday. This is for just washing things. Okay, I bought Cameroon pepper, so I'll be decanting it. I bought crayfish already ground. Okay, so yeah, so all these crayfish is 1,000 sefa, which is 600 naira. You see it. Is it cheap or expensive? You guys should help me find out. Then I bought ogbono. I want to make ogbono and bitter leaf soup. I usually make it for myself, but my husband will not allow me chop am alone. No. The man will say he doesn't like this, doesn't like, but once I make that soup, sharp. And for the Ifafia, for the Mama Wezo, for the Mommy, you're welcome. What did you buy in the market? I am trying to unveil a beauty for you now. Beauty, 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 beauty. Beauty, 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 beauty. Voila! Yay! Okay, I got this. Okay, can you see this? Do you know what it is? You know what it is? You know what it is. All right, so for the big reveal, the biggest reveal, I guess I don't have enough space again, so I'll be removing. Let me create space. Beauty, 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 beauty. Beauty, 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 beauty. So, for the big reveal, let me speak like Diane Kweme. For the big reveal, it is your favorite girl. Yeah, can you see this? Yes, you guys. No, you have to see this. Oh, I've been meaning to show you guys this. Can you see this? Please help me. If you know this, please leave me a comment, okay? This, can you see this? So I don't know if this is focusing well. So this is like fried gari, but it's not really. I don't know how that engine. So for the crayfish, this is my crayfish container. I'm just going to decant the crayfish into the container. I'm just buying all these small ones because I'm hoping that they will open the border, Nigerian border, and for the crayfish I'm not going to. I'll be leaving this in the freezer because I think this quantity, let's make do for this week with it. Don't want the one, crayfish powder, you can overuse it. So I prefer just, So this is Cameroon pepper. Yeah, still love it. It's like it's authentic. So guys, this is where I'll be drawing the curtain on my a day in the life vlog. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. But before I draw the curtain on this vlog, I would like to share with you what happened in the market. Yes, like I told you when I was going to the market, that I wasn't going to be carrying you along with me. I would just be going to the market to buy things for 20 minutes. I didn't buy things for 20 minutes, sincerely. I wasn't able to do everything within 20 minutes. And guys, something happened. Two men were fighting. And what was the cause of the fight? The security personnel in the market was trying to stop a man from entering the market, a man that didn't wear his face mask, from entering the market, and the man resisted. So I think the security guy wanted to force him, and they were, before you knew it, they were throwing punches at each other. They were falling here and there, kicking at each other, and we were, some people gathered, some were running away. Me, I held my purse tightly because in such commotions anything can happen, and I was trying my best to stay away from harm's way. So finally good, and I was asking myself, okay, now security, yes, you're doing the right thing. You're trying to make this man not to enter the market without covering his face, and now you both of you are fighting. Let's just say the man actually has this, this is infected. By fighting him, have you protected yourself? And all the people that came to separate you people while you were fighting, have you protected them? All the people that gathered to watch the fight, how protected are they? And now to the young man equally, who was entering by fire by force, because these days these face masks are sold at very cheap rates. You see the cloth ones, you see very cheap ones, you see. Since the man was insisting you shouldn't enter the market
without covering your face. I believe his anger was some people enter without covering anything, and you security people, you do as if you didn't see them. So at the end of the day, people are angry. You're not this thing, you're not restricting everybody. It's like you're selecting those you want to do this to. It's like you're selecting your partial in executing this issue of no cover, because yes, the government of this land has made it compulsory that you must put on your face mask to go out. So if they've made it a must, then let it cut across. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye. Stay safe. Bye bye.